What is up, fellas? Welcome back to another video. Today we had a quick one for you guys. I'm gonna just be showing you how I mount stuff on my enclosed trailer. Here, what we got holding the blower, so just move this out the way. Actually got this hook right here and that hook right over there. This hook is where the blower hanger thingy right here on the blower goes onto, as you can see right here. And then that hook over there just holds the tube in place, so it's just not flopping around everywhere. And then down here I got another piece of wood with some eyelets on both sides and the bungee strap, and this just to wrap around the blower like so the blower doesn't go flying off. As you can see right here, got the bungee strap wrapped around the blower. Check it out, this thing ain't going nowhere, nice and secure on there. So the way you mount things on your enclosed trailer is your trailer has these little support kind of rib type of things. There's this like pretty much these right here, but throughout the whole trailer. So right here, there's one right here, but you can't see it, doesn't go across the whole trailer. There's ribs all over the place, and the way you can find these is there's some sheet metal screws holding whatever wood you got on your trailer, whatever type, whatever thickness. This is some really thin wood right here, so I would not recommend mounting anything just straight onto this wood right here. What you got to do, you got to look wherever these sheet metal screws are, look and find your mounting position. Like for example here, I found where my screws were. I drilled the hole, a pilot hole, and then I cut out a block of wood, mounted the wood onto the little support brace. We're gonna call it the support brace behind the wood right here. And then you just attach some screws on the side just for more support into the wood on either side. And then that's where I have my hook on here to hold the blower tube. And then pretty much do the same thing for everything else. Just find your mounting position. Here we have where the backpack blower, the other smaller blower I have, goes onto. You cut out a piece of wood, find your support brace. So pretty much it runs all the way straight down, straight all the way from the top all the way down. There's sheet metal screws. That means there's a brace there. And then here you keep going down, there's another one here. That's where the brace keeps going. So that's where you find your support braces. So just find your support braces. This is pretty much the same thing. Cut a piece of wood the length of the blower, put these little eyelets on there, put your bungee strap. I connected it right in the middle to the support beam behind the wood, and then just put 2 screws on each side, wood screws. To you see how it's flimsy, that means there's no brace there. I just have these little screws just for a little bit extra support, but our main support is right here because this connects straight into the wood, into the metal, the little metal bracket that's behind there. So yeah guys, that's pretty much the same way I mounted everything else. Everything you see on here, that's the same way it's mounted. The weed whacker racks, the hand tool holders, and I will leave links down below in the description for some of these little brackets that you guys can go ahead and purchase. The links will be down below. Here for these hooks, it's like a little combo kit that comes with a lot of brackets. They're very strong brackets. So you can see this is one of the hefty blowers. This is a Echo PB9010T, and the X series is a pretty heavy blower, and this thing is on there solid and then going nowhere. I'm shaking the whole trailer moving this thing right here. Same thing with these weed whacker racks. I'll leave a link down below in the description where you guys can go ahead and purchase those, as well as the hand tool holder. I got that on Amazon. Everything I bought will be from Amazon, so go ahead and go down there to the description, get you guys' material, your racks, your hooks, so you can go ahead and do this project at home. And if you guys want an in-depth detailed video of me actually mounting something on here, I'll go ahead and make a video. Go ahead and like this video and make a comment down below, and we'll make it happen, guys. Thank you for watching. Keep mowing the blondes.